Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your ultimate team in FIFA. Resetting your team can be a great way to get a fresh start, especially if you feel stuck or want to try new strategies. It essentially wipes your current progress, giving you a clean slate. Before you dive in, it's important to understand what this process entails and what you can expect to lose and keep. Let's go through the steps together. To initiate the reset, you'll first need to launch FIFA and enter the Ultimate Team mode. Once there, head over to the Settings or My Club section. You should find an option labeled Delete Club or Reset Club within these menus. Be very careful here, as this action is irreversible. The game will usually ask for a confirmation to ensure you truly wish to proceed with deleting your entire club. When you reset your Ultimate Team, many things will be gone. Your entire squad, all consumable items, and your coin balance will be completely wiped. However, it's crucial to know that your FIFA points balance will remain safe and unaffected. Also, your transfer market access and any bans will persist. Essentially, you're starting over with a new club, but your account's overall standing remains. Resetting your ultimate team can be incredibly beneficial if you're looking for a fresh challenge or want to correct past mistakes. It allows you to re-experience the excitement of building a club from scratch, making new decisions about players and tactics. Remember, this is a significant step, so ensure you are fully prepared for a new beginning. Good luck with your new club.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.